I had a previous dentist on the opposite side of town. It just, when I moved to East Valley, it was impossible for me to continue that, so I asked for referrals, and actually never got one. So it was past my 6-month cleaning, and my existing mouth guard had broke in a couple places. So I found a doctor, came in and told him the history of my grinding and my mouth guard, and he wanted to take a look at it, and he was a little surprised. He's like, this is an interesting material and design and stuff. And I kind of questioned him. I'm like, well, my dentist, referred and built this thing custom for me because of the way my mouth sits when I sleep and the type of grinding I do. And he actually challenged it and had a whole different philosophy on me, walked me through the night guard that he recommends and would build for me. And it was completely different. So I was a little surprised, a little skeptical. But he sat me down and fully described some of the unconscious habits that we have, that grinding and clenching, and that's why he wanted to do the test to see if there's something more deep, like sleep apnea, or more serious condition. But the mouth guard that he fitted for me took a little bit to get used to, but I use it every night, and I think it benefits me more than my old one, and it looks a lot more durable. Mine was kind of fragile, and if you would drop it on the tile floor, it would crack in half, and that's what happened. His, it's a little bit more pliable. It's just completely different design, so it worked better for me. At least I got used to it really quickly. And when I wake up, sometimes in the past I would wake up and I would feel like I have been clenching all night, and my jaw is kind of sore, and I've got a slight headache for whatever reason. With the new night guard, I've been noticing that isn't as much. I didn't notice it right away, but after a week or so, I'm like, well, I'm not waking up with those same symptoms anymore. So it's much nicer. The biggest difference that I've noticed between the two that I were at before and here at Alluring Smiles is that he seems to be a little bit more forward thinking. He understands best practices, but he will educate you on maybe a different way or the way the technology is going. He doesn't lack on design or the latest instruments and technologies that help make the experience the best for the patient. For me, I'm the type of person that's a little bit loyal, so when you find something you like, you stay with it. I think as long as I live in East Valley, I'll be coming here to this dentist.